Do you want to switch from Google to Bing on Edge or Chrome on Windows 11 or 10? Then you are at the right place, as we know how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you have been noticing old or irrelevant results being displayed while using Google search or results from forums and discussion boards displayed primarily, you are not the only one facing this issue. Many users have noticed this and asked how they could switch their search engine to Bing or other alternative search engines like DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Perplexity, Brave, etc. You are in the right place if you plan to switch to Bing search. Let's get started. Is Bing better than Google? Bing powers several other search engines like DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Ask, Ecosia, Swisscows, and more. Today, not only does Bing outperform Google. To know how Bing outperformed Google in detail, you can read through this article. Besides, Bing also offers Microsoft Rewards and useful privacy settings to help you enjoy safe and private internet searching. Now, what is this Microsoft Rewards? Microsoft Rewards is a program that allows users to earn rewards by using products from Microsoft such as Windows and Bing. Depending on how you would like to use Microsoft products and services, there may be more than one way to earn or contribute. Therefore, if you are looking for a side income source while doing what you usually do, you should consider options like Search to Earn and Give with Bing. To know in details, you can follow this link. How to switch from Google to Bing on Edge. Here is how you can switch from Google to Bing search on Edge in Windows 11 or 10. Launch your Edge browser to begin the process. Next, access Settings. In the Edge browser, type edge:/settings/search into the address bar and press Enter. This will take you directly to the search engine settings. Now change search engine. Look for the settings labeled Search Engine Used in the address bar. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the drop-down options, choose Bing option to set it as your new default search engine. Additionally, under the Search on New tabs, use a search box or address bar section. Ensure that search box is selected to optimize your search experience on new tabs. Close and reopen Microsoft Edge to apply the changes. By following these steps, Bing will now be your default search engine, providing you with a seamless and integrated search experience within Microsoft Edge. Now, you can enjoy your browsing with Bing. The best part of using Microsoft Edge is that you can search multiple search engines at the same time. You can follow this guide to know how to make Edge show Bing, Google, DuckDuckGo, and Yahoo search results at the same time if you already have a search engine open in your browser tab and you have searched the web for some information. How to switch to Bing from Google search on Chrome. To set Bing as your default search engine in the Chrome browser on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 system, here is what to do. Open your Google Chrome web browser. In the browser's address bar at the top, enter chrome:/settings/search and press the Enter key. Scroll down to find the setting labeled Search Engine Used in the address bar. Click on the drop-down menu adjacent to this setting. From the list of available search engines, select Bing. Close and reopen your Chrome browser to apply the new settings. By doing this, you will configure Chrome to use Bing for all searches performed through the address bar, allowing you to enjoy Bing's search results without manually navigating to its website. Remember, any changes you make will only take effect after you restart Chrome. So restart Chrome and enjoy your browsing. Bing today offers better results. I suggest you compare the results for any search query on both Google and Bing and see which offers relevant and better results. Better still, try Bing for a day or two and decide for yourself. Google today primarily focuses on offering results from forums and large brands. relegating all the niche sites to the second or third page. While the mentioned sites are good in their own way, focusing on them cheats you from seeing relevant results that specialized authority sites may have to offer. Moreover, Bing's placement for AI or SG results is much better than Google's. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.